Artatawe, 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 Artatawe. Hello user, and welcome to the third tutorial which you've managed to stumble across. My name is Keone, and I'll be your guide showing you the Artatawe. Wonderful stuff. Oh, sorry, I've just had a smoothie. I've got some fruit. Anyway, in this third tutorial, I'll show you how to browse artworks. And within that, I'll show you how to view them, filter, bid on artworks, and you'll also be able to see completed auctions, your bids, and also view and favorite sellers. Now, shall we have a look? If you want to start to view or browse these artworks, all you have to do is click this Browse Artwork tab, and here you can see all the different artworks that are on the system. Here, this lovely filter here, so on, you can choose to filter the artworks. So here I've got it on all, but you can also view paintings and sculptures. And favourites, there's no favourites yet because, well, we haven't done that yet. I'll show you how to do that later on. Now, what we can do is bid on an artwork. So, what takes my fancy? What looks good? I think I'll have Diet Lemonade, a sculpture of Diet Lemonade, created by Chris Wiley. Interesting, let's have a look. Not too bad. Right, now if I click bid here, let's try and enter, I don't know, 12. All rejected. And now this message comes up if you are below the reserve price. So obviously I'll have to up my game there. What was it? Was it that one? Yep. So let's try, oh gosh, 30. Still, gosh, I'm going to leave that. That's too expensive for me. Let's try phone. A phone made of foam. Oh, okay. Neil Harmon. Wonderful. Sure, let's try 20 each. Accepted. Wonderful stuff there. And now we can also view the bids that you have, that I have bid on. Here we are. So I bid on QWERTY, Corbin, Alva Corbin, David Camera, Foam Phone, and Phone Foam. That's what an eclectic mix there. Any completed auctions? No, there's not yet. Maybe we'll have a look at that later. And next up, we can also view the seller. So if let's have a look at this coffee. What is this? A painting of a person coughing after having drunk some coffee. By Dan Archambault. Oh, spelt wrong there. Naughty. Alright. So view seller. Interesting. Toilet is the seller. Let's try favoriting them. Close that. Maybe if I click favorites here. Oh, there we go. And that has worked very, very well. Now, I think I'll finish off with something that's tickled my fancy. A sugar-free lemonade, a sculpture. Nice, yeah, interesting stuff. A sculpture of sugar-free lemonade. And if I wanted to view the photos, I'd just click photos here. And oh, that looks very interesting. Some sugar-free lemonade. And let's try 300. Oh, reject. I've been outbid. That's unacceptable. So let's go back to it and how much am I winning? 1,000. Let's go ahead. Place bid. And I am the winner. So will that won't show up in my completed auctions, but there we go. I am the winner. So if we go to this, so the seller is Alpar. So if I show you what it looks like on this completed auctions tab, let's log out. Alpar. There we go. Wonderful tree. And if I click completed auctions, there we go. So CSCNs has bought sugar-free lemonade, a sculpture for 1,000 squid. Right, so I think that's it for this tutorial. The last tutorial to be recorded, but there's another tutorial to go. I hope that that's everything that I have gone over. Is there anything else I can add? Let's favourite him. New favourites. There we go. I think that's everything. And I should say, just as an addendum here, these are listed as in date order. And what I mean by that is so you've got the earliest updated what am I trying to say? Uploaded artwork here, and here's the latest uploaded artwork piece. And you can list, so you can use these to list the title in alphabetical order and all that. And then you can also do that with the seller. Wonderful stuff. So until the next time, good night. Artatawe, Artatawe,